By exercising outdoors, you'll be able to learn more about yourself. For example, imagine getting chased by a bear. It's the only way that you'll truly learn how fast you can run. What's up guys, Bruno here. Today I'm going to show you why outdoor workouts are the best. First reason to train outdoors is getting that vitamin D from the sun. Vitamin D is crucial to our health. It even makes you happier. Also, while out on the sun, while working out, you're getting a tan. So many people pay all those money to go to those tanning salons and it's not even healthy. You know, you might get cancer. While here, of course, don't forget the sunscreen. The darker you are, the more muscular you look. And isn't that great? Thank you, son. Don't stare at it though, because he gets mad and gets you blind. Another reason to train outdoors is that it's free here, unlike gym membership. Exercising in nature can be full of surprises, unlike at the gym, where you know there's same people coming there, same thing on TV, almost same boring music. Here there's a lot of interesting things that can happen. I mean, an alligator might come out of that lake and eat me right now. Wouldn't that be great for you to watch? Although alligators don't live here in New Jersey, but a bear might come. I don't know, you watch a bear take a poop. That's more interesting than those boring guys you see at the gym every day. The point is, here in nature you can look at all wonderful things. Maybe you look at some bird, some beautiful bird, beautiful colors. Even if you look at a dangerous animal, like you see a wolf. How many times you've paid so much money to visit a zoo and look at a wolf? Here you can watch it for free, and as a side benefit, the wolf might attack you and chase you, so then you even got a story to tell to your friends. So next time you meet with your friends, you're not the boring one. You're like, yo man, I went on an outdoor workout once and I got chased by a wolf. That's how I lost my arm. Running at the beach is the best for your health. When you're running on asphalt or on some rough surface or even on the treadmill, it might hurt your knees and ankles. So the best thing you can do is go on a surface like this, you know, sandy surface. That's great for your knees and ankles. According to research, exercising outdoors makes you more creative and also boosts your immune system. So it's less likely that you'll get sick. Working out outdoors burns more calories. Here you actually have to move forward. It's not like the treadmill that you keep running and you end up always at the same place. That's not productive anyway. I mean, we go and run on the treadmill for like 30 minutes and then we drive somewhere that is like 5 minutes away. I mean, it shouldn't be that way. If you run, make sure you do it for something productive, like run at the grocery store to buy some bread or something healthy that you can eat. You run for 30 minutes and you finish at the same place. What a genius, that guy who came up with that idea, right? Exercising outdoors can be a great way to have some fun and also be productive with your friends. Just make sure your friend is not a serial killer, because you know, if you go with someone inside the woods, you want to make sure that guy doesn't want to kill you. As a certified personal trainer, I recommend you guys to do strength training at the gym around 3 times a week, and then you can do cardio 4 times a week if you want to stay healthy and in shape. I'm not talking about huge muscle gains. But 2 of those days that you do cardio, go outdoors, you know, even if it's just for switching something, because you don't want to be on the treadmill all the time. Like, it gets monotonous. If you work out outdoors some of the times, then there's more variation in your workout program, and then it will make you stick to your training program for longer. Because I mean, who wouldn't like to train in this place, right? It's gorgeous. I mean, I got bitten by a mosquito like 10 times, but apart from that, everything is great. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay healthy and stay happy, because life is good. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot.